Imagine Pal's alphabet series. Let's learn to write letter B. We learned how to write letter A in the last video. This is bigger uppercase letter B and smaller lowercase letter b. Let's learn to write letter B in no time, with these numbers, arrows, and dots. To write the big letter B, start from the top, follow the arrows, and draw a standing line downwards. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle. Now, from the middle, let's draw another curved line to the bottom. Follow the arrows. Wow! You just learned to draw a big letter A. Now let's learn to write small letter B. From the top, follow the arrows and draw a standing line downwards. From the middle, draw a curved line downwards. Fantastic! You just learned to write the big and small letter B. Wasn't that easy? That was so much fun learning the letter B. We will learn how to write letter C in our next video. In the meantime, keep practicing. Learn to write with Imagine Pals.